Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I will show you how to fix unable to verify app error. Now, there are also some other methods you can actually do. Simply, you want to go and check your internet connection. So if you are using the data, try to use the Wi-Fi, and if you are using the mobile Wi-Fi, try to use the mobile data, and so on. Another thing to consider is to go to the settings, then go to general. Then after going to general, go to iPhone storage and find the application that you have facing this issue in. So let's say that I have facing it in Uber. Click on offload app, then click on offload app again, then click on reinstall the application. Now, another thing to do is to go and open the App Store, then scroll down and scroll down more till you find here sign out. Then you want to sign out and sign in using your Apple ID and password that you have actually been facing the problem on. So try to remember. And the last thing that you can actually do is to simply try to uninstall the application, then reinstall it again. So hold on the application like so till you find here remove app, click on it, then click on delete app, then click on delete. And now you want to go and open the App Store again and download it again from the start. Okay, the first thing that you can actually do is to simply try to restart your Apple. So press and hold on the power button until we find here this menu, then click on restart or power off. After you started, you can see if your problem is fixed or not. I will show you many other different solutions. Now let's jump into solution number 2. Solution number 2 is to simply go and open the settings of your iPhone, then go to Wi-Fi and try to connect to the Wi-Fi that you actually need. Method number 3 is to go back and open the settings of your iPhone, then scroll down, then go to the general settings, then scroll down till you find here this option, transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, then click on reset, then click on reset network settings. And that's it. I hope one of these methods work with you and you do not need to try all of them. You just need to try one of them and see if your issue is fixed or not. And if you still have the issue, jump to the next one. Thank you for watching. Please consider like and subscribe, and goodbye.